going to see is VLOOKUP from different worksheet. Here we have the data of the students with their registration number, that is roll numbers, and their names, and the marks they are awarded in different subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics and computer science, and also their total and percentages are given. If you look at the roll number, it is shuffled. Now you want to create as per the ascending order the registration numbers, and you want to see only let us say the percentages. So for that I am creating a new sheet. In this sheet I have arranged the roll numbers, and I wanted to place the respective percentages of the roll numbers or the registration numbers. For that we can see the roll number and copy the percentage and then paste it. For let us say the roll number is 101 and the respective percentage is 96. We can copy and we can paste it here. But the problem is, since it is just few numbers, we can do the copy pasting by looking at it manually and doing it. But if it is, imagine let us say it is a 10,000 record and you have to arrange it properly and you want to know the percentage of the respective registration numbers or the roll numbers. So in that case VLOOKUP is a boon for all the Excel users. The syntax goes like this. That's just type equal to, let me first explain the syntax. Here is the syntax. The syntax is VLOOKUP, lookup value, and the lookup value means at which you want to look the value, and then the table array. You have to give the range of the table, and then column index. Column index refers to from which you want to copy it, and the range lookup. Range lookup, either it will be 0 or 1. If it is 0, it refers as false. You want to have the exact match. In that case you have to either type false or you have to type 0. Both are same, 0, false, both are same if you want to have the exact match. And if you want to have appropriate match, and in that case you can type true or you can type 1. So if you type 1 or true, both are same, it means you are okay with the appropriate match. So in this case I want to have the exact match, because we cannot have appropriate match for the roll numbers and their respective percentages. So I am going to type 0 in this case. Now let us go to the VLOOKUP. Just type VLOOKUP, type equal to, and then type VLOOKUP, then double click it, or you type it manually and then open the bracket, open the round bracket, and then you have to give the lookup value. Lookup value is this one. So place your cursor next to this A in this column. Just click it so that you will get A is to A, and then click comma, then give a table range. So the table range is, in this case the original data is in sheet 1, so go to sheet 1, then select the entire data range. So here the data ranges from column A to column H and row number 2 to row number 15. So it will be like A to East A15, then comma. Now go to sheet 2, then it will be sheet 1 apostrophe and then A2 East H15. Here we have to lock the columns. So for locking the columns in Excel we will be using the dollar symbol. So press shift and the dollar symbol in front of A, I mean in front of the column, and also in front of the final column. So don't press dollar symbol in front of the rows, because we are not locking the rows, we are only locking the columns. So we have to type dollar symbol in front of column A and the column H, and then that's it. And after that you have to give the column index number. Here the column index number refers to, in sheet 1 the column in which data you want. I want the data of percentage, so it will be roll number will be column 1, name will be 2, physics will be 3, chemistry will be 4, mathematics will be 5. computer science will be 6, total will be in the 7th column, and percentage will be in the 8th column. So it should be like 8. So the column 8, you are telling the Excel to look up the 8th column value, and then give comma, then you have to give the range lookup. Either you have to give true for the appropriate match or type false for the exact match. Then the other way is type 0 for exact match and type 1 for appropriate match. So in this case I want the exact match, so I am typing 0, then close the bracket, press enter. So now we got the marks for 101, the roll number 101 got 96. Then we can drag the formula here. So for dragging the formula alone, we have referenced the, we have fixed the column in A and H, and if you look at registration number 102, he got 97. Let us recheck it once again whether 102 got 97%. Yes, this registration number 102 got 97. Let us reconfirm with some other registration number. Let us say 110 got 61. So go to 110 and look at the percentage. This person got 61. So our data is correct, which means our VLOOKUP is correct. Thank you.